If you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. It's Earth Day today, but you're probably watching this on Saturday, May 1st, I hope. You know, life happens sometimes and things fall out of place instead of in. Like today, for example, I left my home hoping to take part in Marine Park's Earth Day activities. I missed the mangrove planting but caught the mermaid swimming, so that's good. Today's video is a boat ride with me instead of a drive with me. So I know you will enjoy this though. We're going to go all the way out to the Doctor's Cave Beach, and you're gonna be able to see the hip strip, the coastline side of the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard hip strip, Gloucester Avenue, whatever you want to call it. Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. My name is Artsy, your Jamaican tour guide. If you are interested in Jamaican vlogs, historical videos, and real-to-life views of the streets of Montego Bay, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Since I was late, I ended up going straight to the park office to wait on the rest of the crew. When they came, we hopped on down to the glass bottom boat and they started getting ready for the journey. Meet everyone.
Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing? Tashawn? Say hi. Brady, say hi. Brady, the hide and look dead. I can hear Jada. Hi, Jada. Hi, sir, hiding from the water. Hi. And what's him? Aquaman.
I'm always excited when going out on the sea. I always find it so calming. We're going to Doctor's Cave Beach side, as I said before, so you're going to be able to see the coast side view of the buildings on the hip strip. At this point, Mr. Shim hopped into the glass bottom section to take a phone call.
Lad, I don't know if the phone
I think what I'm able to see now is that KFC, and this is probably the Dump Up Beach, the other side of Dump Up Beach. I wish we were able to get closer so I could show you Harmony Beach Park. I think I'd be able to see it from here. Yeah, that boat over there, every time I'm on this trip, I'm wondering what is that? What is that over there? I don't know. But this is so soothing. And of course, I'm getting wet, but who cares, right?
Wait, no, for real, where is he? I don't know. They're not looking. I can almost see him.
Maybe you went to the beach.
When you guys are
Where is he?
where is he? Oh my god.
Are you okay? You're worried?
He's at the top.
Then someone said they saw a big ass turtle and everyone took out their phone trying to capture it. To no avail, it kept popping up all over the place. Camera shy, I guess. This is looking more like Old Hospital Beach Park, possibly, probably the Old Hospital Beach, yeah, something like that. Look, guys, I can't tell from here. I think so, though. But yeah, the shot is gorgeous. All shots are just gorgeous.
There's 3 times. And one at a time. We had one at the person, you know.
Okay, straight ahead, I think we're coming up on Margaritaville. Is that Margaritaville? Yeah, that's Margaritaville. Yeah, we're coming up on Margaritaville. So you're going to be able to see it from the coast side with all those fun things in the water for people to jump on and have fun on and play on. And there it is. everything out.
Huh? It's a tender. Tender.
Then we decided to just stop right here, and the mermaids got out to do some swimming. I did not come equipped with swimming gear because, well, I can't swim. So yeah, so I watched them swim. I sat in the boat and enjoyed the scenery and the sea breeze and the sunshine. Yeah, stars a lot.
Coastline and Coastline.
Oh, you're there.
Yeah. Your nose burns and the eyes burn when you're underwater. The nose and the eyes burn when you're underwater.
Okay, better. Alright, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am taking you on a bit of a tour of the Montego Bay Marine Park. Today is Earth Day, and the Montego Bay Marine Park has an Earth Day project that they're doing. They already did their mangrove cleanup, and now they have a mermaid project going on. Cool.
Squirrelfish.
What's it called?
A squirrelfish or a winchman, some people call it.
Okay. You can tell from all the way up here. I can hardly see it.
Not here. Can't believe it.
Should it have more like corals down there? It seems bare to me. It's supposed to
Yeah,
look
well,
like
you're in
this?
a beer spot.
Oh, okay, that's why.
But you've been on the reef before.
Would I like to catch another planes that coming in? Get one good shot. It's really cool and nice out here, and sunny as well. So cool, nice, and sunny. It is so nice and windy out here, and I know you guys would enjoy it. So if you are interested in doing one of the marine park tours, you have two to choose from. Today I didn't really do a tour, but I gave you somewhat of a feel of what the tour may be like for you. But believe me, it would be so much better. So you have two to choose from. You can either do the day tour, which is a glass bottom tour taking you all the way out to Airport Point. You get to swim if you can and want to. You learn about the area, catch some sea breeze, listen to some music, and have just all around good fun. Or you may choose an evening tour that takes you to the Bogue Lagoons and to Bird Island, where you can watch the birds come in the evening. It's a laid back evening cruise, and it's very relaxing. You can probably drink some wine while enjoying the sea breeze and watching the sunsets. So if you're interested in any of the tours that they have to offer, then you can go ahead and look in the description box for their email address or number. And if you decide to do one of their tours, please let them know that you heard about the tour from this video. Okay, thank you very much for watching my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.